Good morning. In the previous session, we have discussed equation for simple harmonic motion. And then we assumed two solutions for the equation of motion for the simple harmonic motion. In that case, we do not obtain the complete solution because there is some unknowns there, that is A and B. As we have to discuss simple harmonic motion in details in next chapter, here we consider another example, that is spring gun. Here we discuss the spring gun and the initial conditions. This is the picture of a spring gun, and it is a spring and with a piston, and in front of the piston we insert a marble, a metallic marble of mass capital M. Here we consider the piston has a mass small m and the mass of the marble as capital M. When we releasing this, it uncompresses and the marble moves with high velocity. A spring gun fires a marble of mass M, capital M, by means of a spring and a piston in a barrel. The piston has mass M and is attached to the end of spring, having a spring constant K. The piston and marble are pulled back at a distance L from the equilibrium position and it is released. Then when it is released, the piston will push the marble outward. Here our problem is to find the speed of the marble just as it lost contact with the piston. Here the gravity and friction are neglected. Now we write the equation of the motion for the marble and the piston. Before losing contact, the combined system has a mass of m plus m. Before detaching or before losing contact with the piston, the total mass is m plus m, and if we take the position of the marble as x, the acceleration can be taken as x double dot, then m plus m into x double dot, that is equal to minus x minus kx. It is the equation of the motion, or we can write it as m plus m d square x divided by dt square plus kx is equal to 0. Dividing the equation throughout by m plus m, we write d square x divided by dt square plus k by m plus m into x is equal to 0. When looking at the equation, we can clear that here x double dot, the acceleration proportional to minus x, then it is a simple harmonic motion. Then the solution of such a type, or equation of motion of such a type, must be written as x double dot plus omega square x is equal to 0, where omega is the angular velocity, sorry, angular frequency. Then it is similar one. Then the solution of this one can be assumed as x of t is equal to a sin omega t plus b cos omega t, where omega is equal to what? Omega is equal to root of k divided by m plus m. Omega is equal to root of k divided by m plus m. And here there is two unknown quantities here, a and b. It is some constant. It has to be evaluated from the initial conditions. Then what are the initial conditions? The above equation holds up to the time the marble and piston lost contact. We have the position x of t is equal to what? X of t is equal to a sin omega t plus b cos omega t. Then the velocity is equal to x dot or d by dt, the derivative of x. Then we find the derivative of this one. Then x dot is equal to a is a constant. Then the derivative of sin omega t. Derivative of sin omega t is equal to omega into cos omega t. Then plus b. What is the derivative of cos omega t? Minus omega into sin omega t. Then the velocity can be written as omega a cos omega t minus omega b sin omega t. Okay. To evaluate the constants a and b, we have to use the initial conditions. What are the initial condition? First is the initial value of x, the initial value of x and the initial value of v. Initial value of position. We compressing, we pulled back. We say that we pull back the piston and the marble to a length L from the equilibrium position. Then it is the initial value of the position. It is minus L. It is in backward to the x direction. Then x of 0, initial value of position is equal to minus L, and initial value of velocity is equal to 0. Then our aim is to find the constants a and b. We have to evaluate a and b. So first we substitute the value of T is equal to 0. The value of initial conditions into the equation's position. T is equal to 0. When we substituting T is equal to 0 here, x of 0 is equal to minus L. That is equal to what? A sine omega 0 plus B cos omega 0. Here we know that sine 0 is equal to this quantity must be 0. Okay. And cos 0 is equal to 1. Then it is minus L plus B. Okay. Or B is equal to, we will get B is equal to minus L. First quantity is obtained. Then to find the second constant, we substitute the initial conditions here. Okay. Then initial velocity is 0. It is omega A cos omega 0 minus omega B sin omega 0. Here, this quantity is equal to 1. This quantity is equal to 0. Okay. So look at here. 0 is equal to we obtain 0 is equal to omega A. But omega not equal to 0, then what will be 0? A must be equal to 0. Then we obtain two quantities, two constants B and A. So the solution can be written as, we can write here A is equal to 0, then this quantity vanishes, B is equal to minus L. Then the solution is x of t is equal to minus L cos omega t. Okay. Then what about velocity? Velocity is equal to minus omega minus B is equal to minus L, then omega L sin omega t. This is the position and this is the velocity. Then it is the complete solution. The piston can only push, not pull on the marble. And when the piston begin to slow down, the contact is lost. Okay. And the marble moves at a constant velocity. It says that when the spring, initially the spring is compressed, and when it is detached, the piston and marble must move forward. Okay. Then the spring must move forward. Then it stretches. Okay. Due to that force, then after reaching some position, the spring must move backward. At that point, the mass move forward, the spring move backward. At that time, the contact with marble loses. Then the marble move at constant velocity. So first we have to find the maximum time at which the velocity reaches a maximum. Okay, it is obtained from this equation. Okay, we have obtained v of t is equal to omega L sine omega t. It will be maximum when sine omega t is maximum. The maximum value of sine omega t is equal to 1. It is happened when omega t is equal to what? When omega t is equal to pi by 2. When omega t is equal to pi by 2, sine must have the value 1. It is the maximum value. At that time, it is velocity is omega L. So at maximum value, omega t is equal to pi by 2. Substituting that quantity in equation 3, it is minus L omega Tm must be equal to pi by 2. Then it is equal to 0. Then the velocity will be maximum at the equilibrium position. The velocity will be maximum at the equilibrium position. The marble loses contact as the spring passes its equilibrium points, as we expect, since the force retards the piston for x greater than 0. Because of after passing the equilibrium point, the force must be retardative force. Okay, so the marble loses contact as the spring passes its equilibrium point. So the final speed of the marble before losing contact, it is equal to omega L sine pi by 2. That is equal to omega L. We know that omega is equal to root of k divided by m plus m into L. Then it is the this is the maximum velocity is given by it is equal to L into root of k divided by m plus m. To obtain high speed, m plus m should be small and k and L should be very large. In other words, to get high speed, use a small projectile and pull on this spring gun as hard as you can. This is the end of the session. Thank you.